In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write text on a picture using Microsoft PowerPoint. This will help you enhance your presentations with captions, descriptions, or any notes directly on your images, making your slides more informative and visually appealing. First, let's get started by launching Microsoft PowerPoint on your desktop. Take a moment to ensure that the program is running smoothly and you're all set to begin. Once PowerPoint is up and running, you'll need to either open an existing presentation that you're working on, or you can create a new one. In this step, feel free to add any photos, tables, or other content that you'd like to incorporate into your slides, as this will set the stage for adding text to your images. With your presentation ready, navigate to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This tab is essential as it provides you with the tools to add various elements to your slides, including the option to insert text onto your images. So, pay close attention as you follow along. Now, within the Insert tab, you'll notice the Text group. This section is where you'll find the Text box button. Go ahead and click on it. A text box is a versatile tool in PowerPoint that allows you to place text exactly where you want it on your slide. With the text box selected, move your cursor over to the image you want to annotate. Click and drag your mouse across the image to draw a text box. This action enables you to define the area where your text will appear, and you can adjust the size of this box later if needed. Now it's time to add your content. Click inside the text box and begin typing your text. Whether it's a label, a note, or any other information you want to convey, make sure it's clear and concise to complement your image. To make your text stand out, you'll want to format it. Select the text you've input into the text box to reveal your formatting options on the Home tab. Here, you can customize the font style, adjust the size, or change the color to suit your presentation's theme, or to ensure the text stands out against the image background. Remember, the goal is to make your text readable and visually harmonious with your slide's overall design. After formatting is complete, you might need to reposition your text box. To do so, simply click and drag the text box to place it exactly where you want it over the image. This step ensures that your text is not only functional, but also enhances the image's impact on your slide. And there you have it. You've successfully written text on a picture in PowerPoint, adding a professional touch to your presentation. Experiment with different fonts and colors to see what best suits your style. Thank you for joining me today, and happy presenting.